Alright, what's going on YouTube? My name is KC. Welcome back to another POV, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we are back late night once again. It is currently 11:30, like midnight almost, and I'm getting off work right now. But with that being said, as you can see, we're on the iPhone right now. But if we go to my passenger seat, we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. We got the GoPro and we got the head strap. So I don't need a passenger recording. I don't need to try to set it up in any sort of way. But I don't know if you guys can tell a little bit. It's starting to snow. So yeah, let's make this POV quick. I'm getting gas right now. We about to get on the road. I will catch y'all in a second for sure. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we is on the road, we is hands-free, and we is on the GoPro. This is my first time really trying to record anything off the GoPro. So hopefully the quality is good, and you know, it's at nighttime, so hopefully it doesn't look like it's recorded off a toenail. But we chilling. It's gonna be a little quick POV. Just testing this GoPro out for real. And I also have an iPhone head mount. I know that sounds crazy. So let me know if y'all want that for the next POV, iPhone head mount POV. So it's like the iPhone quality. I need to go ahead and record a POV in the daytime. Make sure we're still recording, because this GoPro, I was testing it out a little bit in the crib and it just kept stopping the recording on me. I was gonna stop at that light, but I very easily made it through there. My CarPlay just tweaked the fuck out. I don't know how the audio is going to be either off the GoPro. Hopefully it's good. turned the damn defroster on. My back windshield starting to get foggy as hell. Yeah, my windows a little bit. But let me know how y'all messing with this Cadillac, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I love this car. I need to go ahead and start doing a little bit of mods to it. Like, I need to upgrade the air intakes. I need to upgrade the, I ain't gonna lie, the exhaust sound good, but I know it can sound better for sure. Especially when I tune the car, bro. I leave it in manual, because like when you in manual and you controlling it, bro, you can really control the pops. Like, it's been windows up this whole time. Like, I think it's just gonna get really windy if I crack them, especially, you know, with the speed and shit. But I crack them a little bit, see how it is. Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna wrap up this POV for me. Make sure y'all are subscribed to this channel. This channel is the POV channel, car channel, anything to do with this car. I ain't gonna lie, any upgrades to come more in the future. Make sure y'all subscribe to my main channel too, King Campbell 14. Instagram is the same, King Campbell 14. Like I said, I will catch y'all in the next one. Gone.